Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder location. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder location, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about Tinder app and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Tinder. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.